Hi everyone, make sure to download the images. You can download them for free. They are located in the video description. So click the links in the video description to download the images for the tutorial for free. Now let's go ahead and from here select the polygonal lasso tool. Zoom in a little bit with Ctrl plus or Alt and the mouse scroller, and just click and drag around the first sentence of the text to select it like this. Just make sure you don't go across the text. Now when you make your selection, just click here at the bottom of the layers panel to add a layer mask. Now W on your keyboard or select the magic wand tool from here. W is the shortcut key. Now click on the white parts of the background to select it. And go to Edit, Fill, Black. Hit OK. Go to Select, Deselect. And now make sure that you select the layer. So click on the layer thumbnail right here. And now go to Edit, Define Brush Preset. And let's rename this to Text Brush 1. Hit OK. And now the brush is automatically selected. Open your other image in Photoshop. And again click here to add a layer mask to the layer. Now go to Edit, Fill, and for the contents choose black. Hit OK. Now hold Ctrl key on your keyboard, so hold the Ctrl key and click here on this little plus to create a layer below the layer with the face. Now go to Edit, Fill, and for the contents choose black again. Click OK. Now select the layer mask of the first layer and go to Window, Brush Settings. To open the brush settings, now click on the brush tip shape like here and increase the spacing to something like 190. Let's set the size of the brush to 2000 pixels. Let's go to the shape dynamics and increase the size jitter a little bit to something like 20%, and the angel jitter to something around 7%. And now let's close this window, and with the layer mask still selected, just click around the image to make the effect to start to appear like this. Now hit Ctrl plus J to duplicate the layer, and let's reduce the opacity to something around 50%. Let's make the brush smaller. Hit several times the left square bracket key, select the layer mask, and now just click and drag around to add some smaller brush strokes. Let's click a couple more times above the eyes. And now Let's reduce the opacity further to something like 32% or 40. So something like 40%, and let's add a new adjustment layer and choose, so click right here to create a new adjustment layer and choose hue saturation. Now, if you click right here where it says master, this drop down menu appears, and let's select science, and let's increase the saturation of the science so that the eyes are more colorful. And finally, let's set a new levels adjustment layer, and right here from the preset menu, click it, and let's choose increase contrast 2, like this. Let's drag the left slider to make the image a little bit lighter, and let's drag the black slider a little bit to the left, like this. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.